Hey YouTube, it's your girl Dr. Lorraine, aka your Forever Educator, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about DIYs, home decor, and all things in between. So if this is some content that you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned and keep watching. So before I jump into the video, I just want to share with you the end of 2020 for me ended on a great note. I am now a member of the illustrious Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Incorporated. Yes, y'all, I am now a pretty poodle. And I am so proud of that and so happy about that. And along with just an enormous outpour of love and sisterhood, I also got a chance to do some of the things that I love, which is craft, right? So now I had an excuse to do some crafting and some DIYs for myself, as well as some gifts for my Sorors. So today's video, I'm going to be showcasing a few of those DIY crafts that I did. And you may be interested because it's some great ideas where if you want to put some things in your poodle den or your she shed or your woman cave, whatever you call your space, or if you want to just gift them to some Soras. So without further ado, we're going to just jump in and let's get started. So the first DIY that I'm going to be showing you are these really pretty bookmarks that I made. Is this one says protecting your peace, or protecting my peace. It's one-sided, it has some beads on it. And then there's this one, I don't know if you can see that. And this one says, I love to hear the sound of my feet walking away from things not meant for me. And then on the back, it has our Greek letters and Sigma Gamma Rho. So this was really easy to make. These were really easy to make, and these make some really cute gifts. I made these with my Cricut. So I just uploaded the image and then put in the space. I added some beads and then, of course, the same and our letters on the back. So you can customize this. This will be really cute to give to one of your Soras. You can customize this and maybe have an image of her, her number and her name on the back. So, you know, and whatever quote, maybe something from that's unique to her, they go right here. But these are really cute, and they were fun, and they were really easy to make. Next up, I have this Starbucks-inspired hot cup, reusable hot cup. So I bought these cups at Michael's, and they were on sale during the Christmas time, so they were actually 2 for $1, so they were 50 cents each. And I just threw the Starbucks label on here and Sora Smoots, that's me, and then of course in our colors. And I used some permanent vinyl, and I gifted this to my Torch sisters. So this is pretty easy to make, you know, and it's fun. It represents, you know, the sorority's colors and of course your name. And it's reusable. I put this in the dishwasher a couple times and the vinyl hasn't come off. So really, really cute and simple to make. Next up is this shadow box. You guys see that? Maybe I need to set it back. The lighting is not, yeah, there we go. So I made this shadow box. I got this shadow box from Michael's, or was it Hobby Lobby? It might have been Hobby Lobby when they are 50% off. So I purchased this shadow box, and I just put some glitter in the back of the shadow box. I used some Mod Podge, put some glitter. I put pearls in here. I got the pearls from the Dollar Tree. And of course, I decorated with the poodle and my number. And of course, Sigma Gamma Rho, our Greek letters. So this is really cute to put up in an office or on a desk or in, you know, your poodle den, which is where I'll be putting mine. So next up, I have this cute little throw pillow that I made. And this was so much fun to make. I just got a toddler-sized t-shirt and stitched up the edges and the neck and the bottom. Stuffed it, of course. And then on the back, I have my name. Oops. There you go. What is that? My name and my number. And I think this turned out really, really cute. I love the fact that it shows the stitching on the outside. It doesn't have to be perfect. I hand stitched this. So this is a really cute gift that you can give, or something that you can throw, use as a throw pillow in your poodle den. And next, I have my paddle that I made. This was fun to make as well. I got the paddle from Michaels. Of course, the letters from Michaels, SG Row, my number, 1922. I put the pearls on here, and then I put the 10 large ones at the top and the 2 rubies. These will represent the rubies. The poodle, I did make with my Cricut, and that is basswood, and I just put it on there with some E6000. I debated on whether or not I'm going to add resin. I think it looks pretty good the way it is, but yeah. So paddles are really, really simple to make, and they're really expensive to purchase. So next up, we have this drinking cup, which I call, you know, an imitation, what is it, Yeti? I think they're Yeti. I hope I can say that. Anyway, I got this cup at Michael's. It's insulated, keeps things hot or cold. And I just put the image on with my Cricut, permanent vinyl. Froed out her, blinged out her afro. Wait, let me pull this back so you can see the image. And of course, so I thought this was really, really cute. I love the way it turned out. This can be a very nice gift to one of your Soras. Or if you just want something for yourself, you want to DIY something for yourself, and you can personalize it to whatever you want it to say. I think this turned out really, really cute. And it was fun. It was fun to make. It didn't take that long. There was some tedious moments in applying the vinyl. I'm not going to lie about that. That was very, very tedious. But overall, I think she turned out really cute. What y'all think? And last but not least, this was my all-time favorite DIY to do because, as you know, paraphernalia can be quite expensive. And as you also know, a lot of times things that you are wearing, you know, you might have 50, 60 other Soras wearing the same thing. So it's always nice to be able to customize something and make it unique. And so therefore, here you have the jean jacket. So I had so much fun making this jean jacket and personalizing it for myself. I have already rocked it a couple times, and it just kind of goes with any and everything. So I absolutely adore that. It was so much fun to make. And I believe that I got the denim jacket from Walmart. Yes, I got it from Walmart. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that I have given you some inspiration to go out and do some crafting, some DIYs, maybe gift your Soras with a, you know, nice little crafty gift. I always like receiving gifts that are handmade and homemade because it shows that, you know, it was a lot of love put into it. So if you are interested in seeing any of the items that I showed you, if you're interested in seeing me make them, please drop that in the comments below. And or if you're interested in having anything made, maybe you don't have time to craft, maybe you're not that crafty, head on over to my Etsy shop and shoot me a message, and I will gladly hook you up with some personalized gifts for either yourself or your Soras. So that's it. And as always, it was a pleasure spending time with you. And remember, to educate you is to educate me, your forever educator. Bye.